How many match to the 34 missing sabongeros? Out of the 29 relatives, may nag-match na po ba?
So far, ma'am, wala pa pong nagmamatch.
Forensics, General, anong masabi po niyo?
Yes, sir. This is Police Brigadier General Danilo Baca, sir, the Director of the Forensic Group. Actually, sir, based on our records, as of August 22 this year, it started July 10. We recovered 401 bones. So,
Are they human bone?
yes, sir. Yung human bones na. Then, out of those items, sir, there are a total of 163 samples were subjected to DNA. Then, the rest po nun, sir, ay hindi na po dahil nag-deteriorate na po. Wala na pong ano.
How many are related to the missing sabongeros according to the DNA?
As of
Hindi pa alam.
the report namin, sir, wala pa pong nag-match.
Wala pa.
Opo, doon sa mga samples na nakuha namin sa mga relatives ng mga missing sabongeros po.
Or, wala rin kwenta
Pero ongoing
wala
pa po
rin
yung
kwenta
aming
yung mga
examination.
investigasyong ginagawa ng ating mga agency dito. Kung wala kayong makikitang any human bone that will actually implicate maisasama nyo sa missing sabongeros on the DNA basis you have, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Magiging ano rin, magiging walang kwenta rin ng investigasyon nyo, Ase Cruz, because of that. So, please, go ahead, Ase.
With due respect, sir, sa inyong observation, I don't think so na hindi po ito mawawalang saysay. Kung matatandaan po natin, 34 po yung nawawala. At although we have reported that there are already 401 human skeletal remains or human bones have been recovered by the Philippine Coast Guard.
Teka, Ase,
Yes, sir.
but you do not believe, meron ka pa salita, but you do not believe that all of those missing sabongeros tinapon doon sa Laal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron mga pagkakataon na nawawala sila and they were
Opo.
thrown somewhere else,
Opo.
not only in Taal Lake.
Opo.
Meron na ba kayo nakita, ang CIDG for example, meron na ba kayo nakita na missing sabongero na tinapon sa ibang lugar, hindi lang sa Taal Lake?
Sir, if I may,
Go ahead, go
if
ahead.
I may continue. Kasi po, when we compare DNA samples from the relatives, hindi po kasi lahat ng mga kamag-anak ng mga nawawalang sabongero ay nakipag-cooperate. Meron po kasing mga kamag-anak ng mga missing sabongeros ang napabalitang nagpabayad na. Kaya hindi po lahat ng mga relatives na kinakailangan namin.
Ibig sabihin nagbabayad na? Nagbabayad, binayaran
Opo.
na.
Yun po ang balita namin. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi pa po kasi nakukumpleto ang mga DNA samples of the 34 missing sabongero relatives. Kaya hindi po natin maasahang talagang mape-perfect natin ang comparison dito. So, meron pa naman pong mahigit 300 samples pa ang hawak ng forensic group. Sana po pagtiwalaan po ninyo kami na mayroon pong mararating ang ating investigasyon.
Walang problema sa pagkitiwala, Asik eh. Ang problema natin, ito, iba yung nakalagay sa pahayagan, iba yung sinasabi ninyo. Yun ang problema natin. Sapagkat nalalaman po natin ang taong bayan din naman palagi ko naghihintay dito eh. Ano ha? Kaya nga itong committee ito ay napagkasunduan na imbestigahan po natin. So we would like to know the truth about all this. Ito'y briefing pa lang po ito. Hindi pa po ito hearing. Sapagkat kung hearing ito, meron na kayong OT ito. Briefing lang to eh. Sapagkat kung ito'y hearing, ay mag-o-taking na kayo dito. At ang gusto lang natin malaman dito, mga kapatid, sa paglilingkod, ano ba talagang mangyayari sa investigasyon ito? For example, like, medyo sumingaw. Ang sabi nyo na meron ng mga binayaran ng mga biktima, ng mga mag-anak ng biktima. So ilan na ba nabayaran? Sapagkat tatahimik na yan eh. Hindi na wala nang interest yan. Bayaran na sila eh. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, si IDG, sinabi ko kanina, may nabalita rin na sumingaw din. Na meron ng binayaran sa loob ng Philippine National Police tukol dito upang tumahimik na. Nawala na eh. In a short span of time, na ito'y nasa pahayagan ng ilang araw, biglang wala na eh. Wala na, as in wala na. Wala ka na makikita ng anumang balita eh. You see, yun po yung concern namin dito, Asek, Cruz, di ba? I mean, sa pagtitiwala, kinakailan talaga magtiwala tayo eh. Di ba? Sapagkat kasama namin kayo sa paglilingkod eh. Oo. Pero kinakailangan lang po sa pagtitiwala natin ay ganito. Na sana naman eh, hindi manguna ang pera dito. Di ba? O tulad ng sinabi mo kanina, na nabayaran na yung ibang biktima, ibig sabihin, pera na ang namayani dyan, no? Kaya pag ang pera namayani, di ba? Tapos na ang investigasyon. Tama ho ba ako, si IDG? Kayo nag-iimbestiga eh.
Yes sir, tama po kayo. Pero I assure you, Mr. Chair, na yung yung aming commitment ay tuloy-tuloy.
What kind of assurance and commitment can you give us?
Personally, Mr. Chair, as Director of CIDG, I could, with all candor, tell you that I intend to finish this investigation hanggang ma-serve
At hindi
ang
ka
justice.
kayang bayaran, correct?
Hindi po ako kayang bayaran, Your Honor.
Okay. Salamat, maraming salamat. Hindi under oath yan, hindi pa under oath yan. maraming salamat. Ito po, mayroon pong tanong si Congresswoman Diviso sa inyo.
To our resource person about the DNA, how long will the test take before we have the result?
Actually po ma'am, ang process po natin, upon receipt of the sample, it will going to take 7 to 8 days bago po makapag-generate tayo ng
So
result.
since when did you start the DNA testing? Of
Started,
163 bones, according
Opo.
to you.
started July 10, then naka-receive na po kami. Up to now po, nagkakaroon pa rin po kami ng examination, DNA examination.
Yeah. But what did you say about the number of days?
7 to 8 days po yung
You're supposed to
process.
have a result already?
Yes ma'am, may result po na...
How come it's August already?
Ma'am, actually, yung August po ay hindi pa po lahat kumpleto.
Yeah,
Meron
but
pa po tayong...
With regards to the 163 human bones, syempre examine nyo yan separately, di ba? You
Yes.
cannot examine them all together.
Yes
If
ma'am,
it started on July 7,
July
some- is it July 7?
10 po, 10.
July 10?
Yes ma'am,
Now is August already.
yes po.
And you said 7 to 8 days. So, dapat kahit papano may resulta na tayo.
Yes ma'am, actually may result na po tayo ma'am.
How many months to the 34 missing sabongeros?
Actually ma'am, we could not consider
Disclose.
the number of months ma'am. Kasi yung as of now, we only have about 29 samples from the relatives. So meaning to say, yung mga relatives itong 34 missing sabongero po ay 29 lang po nag-submit ng kanilang sample.
So that 34 missing sabongeros is now represented for purposes of DNA by 29 relatives
Yes po.
who have submitted their specimen.
Yes po. Yung,
Out of the 29 relatives, may nag-match na po ba?
so far ma'am, wala pa pong nagmamatch.
But
dun sa-
are there results already from the
meron pa po
163
tayong
human
ongoing ma'am.
bones?
Meron pa po tayong ongoing.
No, please answer the question. May resulta na hubang lumabas out of the 163 human bones?
Yes po ma'am, nakakompleto na po tayo ma'am ng 45. Then out of that viable, yung kumbaga yung viable ma'am na pwedeng makunan ng DNA result. Yung 85 na po yun na viable is 45 po ang natapos. Then mayroon pa pong ongoing, not 40.
Okay, dun po
Opo.
sa 45,
Yes ma'am.
according to you, tapos na. May
Yes.
nag-match po ba with the 29 relatives
So
of
far-
the 34 missing Sabongeros?
Wala po, ma'am.
I wish to ask the DOJ. I remember, if there is no corpus, if there is no body, there is no crime of murder. Ito pa rin ho ba ang jurisprudence natin to this date?
Your Honor, may I allow the prosecutor Reyes to answer the question?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Prosecution Attorney John Harold Reyes. For that answer, sa general rule, napag-aralan po natin sa law school na when it comes to the crimes of murder, it is really essential na kailangan ma-discover muna yung body ng victim.
So
Kasi
that is tantamount to saying, if from the 163 bones being examined for DNA, none will match with the 29 relatives, then no case of murder can be filed against your respondents. Do you agree?
With candor, I do not agree, Your Honor, considering that at present, hindi pa naman po tapos yung ating ongoing operation sa Taal Lake. In
No,
fact,
I am referring to the 163 bones.
okay,
Please base your answer on that.
as
Kung
far
dun
as-
sa 163, no? Walang mag-match dun sa 29 relatives. Yun lang 163 na yon. Is it correct to say that we cannot file a murder case out of that 163 bones?
With candor, I still maintain my answer, Your Honor, na posible pa rin po. Kasi po, although meron naman po kasi tayong ibang ebidensya, we can use other pieces of evidence to establish, halimbawa,
Like what?
for instance, a testimony of a witness who
Will the case of murder prosper with a plain testimony without corpus delicti?
as a general rule, as
May
I have
exception na ba sa general rule?
Your Honor, if you are going to base our answer on the results na hawak po ngayon ng PNP Forensic Group, sa ngayon hindi pa po pwede, but hindi po ibig sabihin nun ay at all hindi na talaga tayo makakapag-file ng case for murder, because as I have mentioned, yung ating search and retrieval operation sa Taal Lake is still ongoing. In fact, if my recollection is correct, Commodore Tubilla made mention na at this date, we are
I
still in the search
understand,
squad.
Prosecutor Reyes, but I am anchoring my question from the 163 human bones which were submitted already from the DNA test, no? And this is actually a question